Hey guys, today I'm sharing veg salad for dinner. A healthy, oil free salad which can be included in your fitness journey. So let's get to the recipe. First, in a bowl, I'm adding half a juice of lemon. Just squeeze the lemon directly into this bowl and make sure that you remove the seed from the juice of lemon. It's a very important step. Don't miss it out. Next, I'm adding black pepper powder around quarter teaspoon. Add rock salt as per your taste and give all a nice mix so that the black pepper and salt are mixed along with the juice of lemon. It's time to add carrot and cucumber. What I have done, I sliced the carrot into thin ribbons using this peeler and it's look like this. Now transfer this cucumber and carrot into the bowl. You can use any other fruit or vegetables in salads to make according to you, but make sure that you add lots of vegetable so that the base of salad has lots of veggies. For freshness, I'm using coriander leaves. However, you can use also mint leaves or fresh other herbs like rosemary, moringa, and many other things which I have shared in my previous videos or maybe shared in my new videos. Okay, back to the salad. Give all it a nice toss. Guys, it's my request that many you are watching my videos but don't subscribe to my channel. So please subscribe to it for more such videos. And if possible, you can also share this channel to your friends and family to promote free health content on YouTube. Okay, let's add peanuts to our salad. I'm adding roasted peanuts. These peanuts are unsalted. Next, add roasted sesame seeds. It's very important to add some healthy fats of nuts in our diet. And you have it, a delicious, healthy, nutritious, and instant weight loss salad. Believe me, this salad is literally incredible in taste. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.